How my third week or the third week of January went. So as you see in your face, I have my day book, which is the trading, which is the app day book, which you can find on Google Play Store. So I use it as my trading journal. So I use this app as my trading journal because it's simple, it's good. So it shows me all the days in a calendar, all the weeks of each and every month. You can see there I'm on February 2025, so March, April. So I'll be journaling each and every week, everything that will happen in the market, all the setups that I miss, all the setups that I take, and all the losses and all the profit, all the greediness. I've been journaling ever since the beginning of the year. You can see January 2025. So I have like all these entries which speak to my soul. A journal, I believe it's something that will speak to your soul, man, because it's a record of what has happened. And if this information is beneficial, it might happen the second time. So it's better to pay attention and watch the video until the end. So shout out to everybody new to the channel, man. Thank you. And if everything is not clear, forgive me, because I'm doing my best to help you become profitable. I'm also learning, and I learn a lot from the journal more than I learn from the YouTube videos. It's because the journal this is me, bro. This is what I do on a daily basis. You can see the first week of February, I did my entry on 3rd, on Monday, and 7th and 8th on Saturday. I did the second week. Unfortunately, I didn't make a video on the second week, but I did. If you can watch my previous video, you will see some of the videos. I did journal from Monday to Friday, Saturday. I never skipped a day. And also this week, which is the third week of February, form week, I never skipped a day. So let's just see what happened, and let me show you how my trading went and all the good stuff. So now I'm on 17. You can see if I go to the 18, it changes. 17 February. So let's start. So on the 17th February, when I check the stories, I have this story at 3 past 12 p.m. So I make sure I journal each and every 4 hours, because I'm always swing trading and checking the market each and every 4 hours. What happened on the 4-hour time frame, the daily, what is happening in the daily time frame, and what might happen on the weekly. Because if the daily is bullish and the weekly is bullish, I'm expecting the 4-hour time frame to give me a bullish, engulfing. Okay, so 3 past 12 p.m. I did the entry. I did enter the journal. Okay, I said let me open for you. You can see 17 February 2025, Monday, 3 past 12 p.m. 2880. Powerful support level. Gold continued the buys from 2880. My area of interest. Laughing emoji. I'm not trading today. Why? Because it's a holiday for the United States dollar. So let me open the screenshot. So on my journal, I make sure that I have the screenshot, and I have the screenshot of my MT5 trading results, and also I have the, what is it, I type on my journal. So the screenshot is to help me remember by using pictures instead of just writing without using pictures. So you can see there, if the screenshot is clear. Let me try to zoom for you. You can see all these red lines, which is my support and resistance and all that, and then you can see the blue line, which is the area of interest. Okay, so the blue line is definitely my area of interest. It was the level where I was supposed to enter, but as you can see, I didn't enter. I don't know, man. I don't know why I'm scared. Okay, so you can see there is 3 past 12. You can see it's gold weekly time frame, and yeah, man, gold was above 2900. So started buying from 2880 from the weekly time frame, as I'm trying to zoom for you to see. So let me go to the next slide, which is the daily time frame. You can see the daily started buying from 2880, and then now it was like buying at 2900. So like gold was up this week, bro. Gold was buying like crazy. You will see on Friday what happened on Friday. But yeah, man, you can see if I try to zoom in, you can see that gold was like trading above 2900, started buying from 2880, as I said, which was my area of interest. It was a support level where I needed a pullback, right? And after getting the pullback out, I told myself, if I can show you my journal for the previous weekend, the market closed on Friday. I said that when the market opens on Monday, and then unfortunately I found out that on Monday it was a bank holiday, right? And I didn't want to enter I didn't want to enter on a bank holiday. I don't know, but I don't like trading on holidays, because I feel like holidays, man, it's time to chill, man, and just relax, bro. So I wanted to come on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So if I can continue, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see that we had a double top, right? Gold did and form a double top, right? You can see the pin bar sitting there on 2880, but after the pin bar, you can see that gold formed a bullish engulfing on Monday on a holiday. So I was supposed to buy all that bullish engulfing. So now gold bullish engulfed on the 2900 resistance level, which is now acting as support. You can see that you can see that gold was rejecting 21 moving average, and then it was 12 p.m. afternoon. So like this was the best time to buy gold, because gold was still playing around 2900, but it was not that ready. So let's just continue with the journal. As you can see on my next slide, this is the screenshot of the Forex Factory, which is the app that I use to check fundamentals. Sometimes these fundamentals, they can move against you if you're in a position, but if you are aware, you will know that the best time. You will know the best time to close and the best time to enter and the best time to stay away, because you can see that we had a bank holiday on 17 February all day for the CAD, the Canadian dollar, and the United States dollar. That's why I didn't want to enter that gold position, right? So let's just go back to what I wrote on 17 February. I said 2880, powerful support level, right? So gold continued the buys from 2880, my area of interest. I'm not trading today. Why? Because it's a holiday for the USD. So that's what I said, right? After at 12 p.m. So let's go to I had another entry on 3 minutes to 6 p.m. Get busy. Yeah, you can see March 2025. Get busy, and then I just entered this journal. I just said get busy. I was on the website, so I was checking a new prop account. Currently I'm trading with the 100,000 funded next competition account. So I wanted a new prop account, but with a reliable prop firm. So I was checking the discount on Quintecal, which is the 5,000 two-step account. So yeah, man, what I love about this account is that the platform is MT5, time limit is unlimited, the minimum trading days is 4 days, maximum daily loss is 3%, maximum loss is 8%, profit target is 6%, bro. Imagine profit target of 6%, bro. Like, you get funded as quick as possible. But if you have proper risk management, right, you can see there, get 30% off with code QT loves you. So yeah, man, I wanted to buy this account because it's cheap, especially with the 30% off discount. You get it at a cheaper price. But I wanted a 10k, so not a 5k. But if my money is not balancing, I'll just get a 5k. So this is the two stories found on 17 February. This is what I said on 17 February on my journal. I didn't do much. It was just a normal day. It was a US bank holiday, so I didn't want to enter positions and all that. So on Tuesday, let's go to Tuesday, 18 February, right? I did so many entries on Tuesday. Let me start with the 8 a.m. So on 8 a.m. NQ, Nasdaq gave 1:4 risk to reward ratio from a single candlestick pullback, right? So the 21 simple moving average acted as a dynamic support from that pullback. But so okay, let me check. I said Nasdaq gave a 1:4 risk to reward ratio from a single candlestick pullback. The 21 simple moving average acted as a dynamic support level from that pullback. Okay, let me check what happened, right? So it was a setup, right? It was a setup. Remember, this account is another K500 Next competition account. So I'm currently ranking 534. I made a video. Go and check it out. It's a short video on my YouTube channel. So make sure you check my shorts and all that. So on this setup, I was trying to check the setup that I missed on Nasdaq. You can see this setup. It was the 4-hour time frame, 8 a.m. So I was just checking the risk to reward and proper risk management on the position. It was not a position that I was taking. It happened. So I was checking what could have happened if I entered, especially on time, right? Not late or too early, but at the right time. So the best time, I mean, the most important price when you're trading is the price that you enter the market, not these red lines and the blue lines and all that. No, is the price that you use to enter the market, because that price, it will determine if you're gonna make a win or a loss, right? So you can see there we had a pullback. This black candlestick rejected the 21,800. I mean the 21 simple moving average, which is the red line, and then after that we had a bullish candle close. So after the bullish candle close, it was the best time to buy Nasdaq. So you know my lot size is one lot because I'm risking 1%, which is 1,000 points, and I'm targeting 40,000 points, right? I'm risking 10,000 to make 40,000 points, with the risk to with the risk to reward of 1:3 or 1:4. But I like to, but now I realize that it's better for me to go 1:3 risk to reward, because 1:4, yeah, it's good, but let me start with 1:3 and see if I'll be consistent with 1:3. So if I'm consistent with targeting 3% by risking 1%, then I will go to targeting 4% instead of 3%, because I prove it to myself that yes, I can hold, yes, I can set and forget and let it play out. As you can see, Nasdaq started buying from that entry. Actually, I was just checking, right? So it gave more than 3%, almost 4%, actually 4%, right? 3.992 there USD, which is 40% on the account, right? Which is 40% on the account. So yeah, man. Let me check another entry. It was 8 a.m. So failed to buy from 2880. Since I kept 2880 as my area of interest the entire weekend, I failed to buy from it because of the US bank holiday on Monday. Now 2900 is going to be my area of interest, since gold just broke and closed above the 2900 resistance and support level. Gold is still up in all those three time frames. H4 time frame bullish, daily bullish, weekly time frame bullish. Gold just closed above the 21 simple moving average, which is the SMA. Will it continue the buys after the bullish engulfing setup and the break above 2900? This setup seems familiar. I saw it on Nasdaq and it got profitable. Like, you know, it happens sometimes. You know, you see something that happened before. So the only thing that you have to do if you see something that happened before is to make sure that you catch it next time. So let me show you what I just explained right there. You can see on the weekly time frame we're trading above the 2900. All right, I told you, I showed you on Monday, which was the US bank holiday, on my entry, that I'm not going to take a position. Even though 2880 was my area of interest, I wanted to take a position on Monday, but I couldn't because it was a bank holiday. You know, But as you can see, already gold is up. On Tuesday gold opened up above 2900 and started buying without me, even though I said that I'm gonna take the position on Monday. I didn't, because it was the US holiday, so it just started buying on Tuesday because it already started buying on a holiday. So I was supposed to buy it on Monday, but I couldn't. So on Tuesday it went up. So I did take a screenshot of the 4-hour time frame, but I'm not connected at the moment. So the daily, you can see, is up, like it's up. It was trading 29:11. I mean, yeah. The time I took the screenshots, it was 2 past 8 a.m. Like, So yeah, man. Let me go to my other entries. So 4 past 4 p.m. Gold has been tempting me to buy all day. And by the way, this is Tuesday, right? Remember, and never forget that gold started buying from 2880, not 2900. Once gold is in this state, you decide to buy it, then you'll be breaking the rules. Why did I say I'll be breaking the rules? Because I told myself that I will buy after a pullback, right? If I get a breakout high, pullback, rejection, then I will enter. But if I just enter in the middle after price has already left the support level or resistance level, then I'm breaking the rules, and then I'm not gonna be happy, even though I'm like making profit, because I'm not following the plan. Because days will come where I'll do the same thing and take a loss. What's the point of making profits by breaking the rules? Oh my god, what happened? I made a mistake, right? Let me go back real quick. Real quick, yeah. What's the point of making profits by breaking the rules? You were supposed to buy gold after the pullback to 2880, but you didn't. Why? Remember, I said the Monday pullback in 2880 was a US bank holiday. You decided to let it fly, but now gold is up and you want to ride the longs. My friend, it's better to wait and stick to the rules. Wait for a pullback. Let gold come back to you. As long as gold comes back to 2900, then you'll buy. As simple as that. Gold never came to 2900. You can see, like, this is stupid, right? This is stupid. Okay, let me show you. Gold already or is up already from 2900, right? I didn't buy it the time it was, remember, it was 3 past 8, right? So now it's 4 past 4. So after 4 hours, gold is up, man. You can see on this time frame, 4-hour time frame, you can see gold is up already. We had a bullish engulfing which closed above 2900 and the 21 moving average. So now gold was trading from 2919. The price was up already, so I'm late. I was supposed to enter the time I wrote the journal, like it was supposed to be 8 a.m. I was supposed to enter 8 a.m. right, but I didn't. So now it's 4 past, it's already up, I'm late on the move. So let me check Nasdaq. It was 8 past 4. NQ is trading above 22,200, but my area of interest still stands. I'll be watching the pullback to 21,200 all week. That's how it's going to be from now on. Breakout high, pullback, rejection. Don't buy because it's buying. Don't buy because it's up. Don't buy because of FOMO. Don't buy because of you know the market's too well. Don't buy without pullbacks. Remember, this is my journal, bro. I'm talking to myself, bros. Don't, like, you need to understand. I was just typing, right? But I'm typing this after what happened. So let it go. Your best trade is coming. Oh, I made a mistake again. So yeah. So NQ, I was on this journal 8 past. So let me open this journal on 8 past 4. You can see on Nasdaq. Nasdaq was already up. It was trading at 22,200 on the weekly time frame. So let me check. There's no other screenshot. And then I made another entry at 2 past 8, right? 2 past 8 back to 2940. How will gold react to the resistance 2940? Because previously it tapped and dropped 2 times. Keep watching gold. I saw that this buying momentum would have generated 1:2 or 1:3, close to 1:4 RRR, risk reward ratio for me. Swing trading was the best choice I ever took in my life. If I ever break above, if we ever break above 2940, then we're definitely heading up, right? So gold was like about to hit TP at 2940. Remember, the buying started from 2880 and continued on the second day, which is Tuesday, at 2900. So TP was supposed to be 2940. You can see there. You can see everything clear now. So it's 4 hour time frame. So this setup, if I did buy the time I say that I was supposed to buy, it was going to generate 1:3 risk to reward ratio, but I didn't. I doubted the setup and I missed the setup. So the last entry on Tuesday, it was 8:07. So you can see first rejection from 22,200 on NQ. Now I had a breakout. I got the highs, first pullback. Now I need NQ to pull back for me to buy, bro. To be more specific, NQ has to pull back to 22,000 for me to buy NQ. We're definitely still in an uptrend, but we are bearish engulfing on the 4 hour time frame because of the 22,200 resistance, which seems like NQ is rejecting 22,200 for now. This is working. This is how you plan your next biggest setup, you know. So you can see, if I can zoom out, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can see that at the weekly time frame on gold, it was like it made a low and a high. So it was like high wave candlestick. It was that candlestick just seems like it's confused, it's not knowing what direction it will take. But remember, it was still Tuesday on Nasdaq, and I wanted a pullback to 22,200. You can see that's why I had to change the color of my support level horizontal line to be blue, because I want a perfect pullback to 22,000 so that I can buy Nasdaq on the 4 hour time frame. So unfortunately, the screenshot is not appearing because I have not connected on the internet. So let's go to Wednesday, right? So far you see what is happening on these journal entries. So far you understand that days are not the same. So far you can be profitable tomorrow and then you lose the next day. So 4 past 12 on Wednesday, right? So 3% on gold, simple setup. 3% on gold, simple setup. Not a pullback, but definitely a break and close above the 21 simple moving average. Gold remain bullish even now. So you can see already we take profit on Wednesday. 2940, it was take profit. Remember, we started from 2880 on Monday. We had to start we continued from 2900. Now we hit TP at 2940. That's the beauty of swing trading, you understand. So you start to see this thing in a bigger picture. You can see that we take profit right there. Remember, we started from 2880. We continued on Tuesday from 2900. Sorry, so take profit was supposed to be the highs, the previous weekly highs. So it was 2940. We had take profit, and gold seemed like it was coming with big momentum. Remember, the breakout is so aggressive. People want to enter because they see that this level, they've been waiting for gold to come at that resistance. Now it has come. It's time to continue the buys, you know. So all this week I was not even entering. I was just doubting the setup. I was just saying I will enter after a pullback, but the pullback was not coming. Like, the pullback came at 2880, but on the wrong day. I guess I was supposed to take it on Monday. I couldn't take it on Tuesday. I had bullish engulfing. I couldn't take it. I don't know why I was doubting everything. I was doubting my setup. I was doubting myself. It was just a crazy week. But like, I know that the setups will come, you know? So 2 past 8, gold is selling from powerful resistance, 2940. I'm not selling it. Yes, we're kind of ranging from 2940 resistance and 2880 support, right? Now I'll pay attention to how gold drops back to 2880. So already, remember, on the weekly previously, we gold looked like it can break above 2940, but right now gold is rejecting 2940. You can see the strong rejection already. If I go to the next screenshot, I can't see them, but it's fine. Now 4 past 8, Nasdaq stuck. Just wait for a breakout, because Nasdaq seems to be stuck between 22,200 resistance level and 22,000 support level. A breakout of the either two will be much detrimental. It will form a new trend. But I'm remaining bullish on NQ with the weekly time frame. NB, the market often consolidate after making big moves, right? So if I can show you the screenshot, let me zoom out. You will see gold is currently ranging after this strong uptrend that we started buying from above 2800, I mean below 2800. So, and then we continue with the bullish engulfing above 22,000. So now we're consolidating, right? It's 8 on a Wednesday. We're consolidating on Nasdaq after taking profit at 22,200. So it's playing around the 21 moving average, simple moving average, and it's playing in the middle. So all I want is a pullback to 22,000 to buy Nasdaq. But a pullback, you know, the funny thing is that I know what I want, right? As soon as I mark the area of interest, I said I'm gonna take the new position from this level. But when the trade form, when the market is live and everything is moving too fast, you know, you start to see things that you never saw before, and then you start to miss the setup. You miss the setup because you're thinking a lot. You don't want to take the setup. So you know, it was Wednesday, February 2025, 8 right? So now on Thursday, 3 past 12, NQ still in the middle. I wonder what is cooking. So let's check. I did a screenshot of the daily time frame. You can see it's Thursday, and then if you can calculate the number of candlestick from the Thursday candlestick, then Wednesday, and then Tuesday and Monday, you can see all these candlesticks, they have a small body, which shows that this instrument Nasdaq is not moving, right? It's not moving. It's just stuck between 22,200 and 22,000. So a breakout of either 22,200 or a breakout or a break below of 22,000 will be profitable, because people are waiting for a breakout. Of course, you can see that these daily candlesticks, they are not like having big momentum like the previous days. You can see the previous days by looking at your left side. Previous days where the strong momentum after Nasdaq rejected the 21 moving average, you know. So yeah, let's go to another entry. 7 past 12, right? I'm still at 12 p.m. Like this day. So gold has been busy buying since Monday. Remember, Monday it was a US holiday, right? 2940 is now my area of interest. I just need a pullback in order to buy gold. Remember, I said I'd buy gold from 2880, but seems like the weekly started buying from 2880, and I'm not on the trade even today. And remember, I'm telling myself, remember. So today is Thursday, by the way. You see, it will cost you a lot to miss a setup. So remember the setup that I missed on Monday, Tuesday. Now take profit is hit on Thursday and Friday. The Thursday was still on Thursday. Take profit was hit on Wednesday, Thursday. So now you can see it's back again. Remember the last time I talked about gold, it was rejecting 2940. Now it's back again. It's trying to break above 2950. So it was just a pullback and another impulsive move, which gave a 2% setup, you know. So if I can go to the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the time gold was rejecting 2940 on the weekly time frame, it was preparing another setup, which was a pullback correction and another impulsive move. So it gave another 2% before it came back and started playing above or below 2940, because you know it was tired. It was time for consolidation because of what happened the whole week. It was buying the whole week. It was bullish the whole week. The whole week after the US bank holiday. So gold was like in a strong uptrend, bro. It was in a strong uptrend. I was supposed to buy. We were supposed to buy gold. You were supposed to buy gold wherever you are. And make sure when you watch this video, if you are still watching the video, you subscribe for me, like and comment and all that. Tell me about what you think about gold and Nasdaq, because I love watching gold, I love watching Nasdaq, but I can't be on the market 24 hours. I have things to do. I have to move around, go out, you know, meet new people. So you know, people are scalping, but you know, it's a topic for another day. So if I can finish up on the Thursday entries. I had 3 stories. So yeah. So then on 2 past 4 p.m. So 2940 failed the breakout. Gold is rejecting 2940 currently. I thought it would have been a confirmed breakout of 2940, but we are bearish engulfing. I'm not selling it. It's not my system, right? So again, on the weekly time frame, you can see gold made a new high, but it seems like it didn't close above 2940, and I wonder if gold will close above 2940 at the end of the week on Friday midnight close, right? So okay, it made another pullback and then it's rejecting. So let's try to check other time frames. I can check, but it's fine. It's fine. You understand now. I hope you understand now. So now let's go to Friday, which was the last day of the trading week. Yeah, the last day of the trading week. Remember, I never took no position. I was supposed to take gold position. I didn't take gold position. So it's funny, bro. It's the last day of the week, and I'm like, okay, I'm still entering my stories. I'm writing on my journal. I'm disciplined. I'm watching the market. Rejections on 2940 was my take profit for the entire week, which is true for gold. Now gold seems to be rejecting it on the daily. Okay, let's check the daily time frame, right? If I can zoom in, you can see that 2940 daily time frame. The previous day, it closed like with strong rejection, man. I don't know if this candlestick is a shooting star. The previous candlestick, the previous day, which was like Thursday, the bullish candlestick closed. But the previous day, which was Wednesday, it rejected 2940. Then on Thursday, still rejected 2940. Friday is rejecting, but we didn't get a close because we're gonna get a close after 12 p.m. on Saturday, 12 a.m. midnight close. But still, where it's 3 past 12 p.m. on Friday, p.m. 12 p.m. So I don't know what will happen at 12 a.m. on a Saturday. So now gold is still rejecting 2940. So it's pointing down. So it seems like gold is rejecting 2940 and it's about to drop, right? It's tired of buying, right? It's tired of buying right now. So yeah. So let's check what happened. So 3 past 4 p.m. I was so tired, bro. I was so tired. I wanted to enter, even though I did break the rules right here on 3 past 4. I did break my rules, right? Let me show you. 21 February 2025 Friday. There is no setup. I'm long. Everything else. The close was above the 21 moving average, simple moving average. The entry was late. I'll be back after 8 p.m. This is the second day of This is the second day of gun weeks. My entry was supposed to be 12 a.m. My other entry was supposed to be 12 p.m. I don't know, because that level represented my AOI, area of interest, but I didn't enter when price was actually at the bottoms. Why? I don't know. But I did say I'll enter there. I guess I was waiting for a perfect setup. There is no perfect setup. Entry is entry, loss is loss. I'm not happy, but it's fine. You'll do better next time. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, let me go back real quick. Yeah, you'll do better next time. Let me open the screenshot. So you can see I'm on the daily time frame on Nasdaq. The daily seems like it's buying, because the previous day, which is Thursday, rejected 22,000, and the new day is buying for real. But I'm late, right? I'm late. I'm buying almost above, like close to 22,200. The market was about to take profit, right? The market was about to take profit, and I was targeting 4%, which was unrealistic. Honestly, it was unrealistic because the level is very, very far there. So let me open other slides. You can see the weekly time frame. It was bullish. It was starting to be bullish. So I don't know if I'm profitable on this setup, but I'm not happy with the setup, because the setup was just was messed up, man. This setup is not the way I wanted to enter this setup, even though the weekly is starting to be bullish right now, so it might close above 22,200. I don't know, but the setup, it was late because I'm buying up way too far from 22,200, 22,000. So I wanted to buy close to that support level, not close to the resistance level. So it's not a good setup, bro. Even though it's profitable, like, it's not a good setup. You can see I was supposed to enter around 12 a.m. on 21 February, which was Thursday. No, it was Friday. It was Friday, 12 a.m. in the morning. But you know, you gotta sleep, bro. You gotta sleep. You gotta rest, because you get tired of watching these candlesticks playing around, fooling around. So we had a bullish engulfing right there. You can see right there. You can see right there before we closed above the 21 moving average, and then I come and enter after. It's too late, man. But yeah, so if you can see, another entry was supposed to be 12 p.m. on 21 February. So it was 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. after the bullish engulfing, and then that candlestick closed above the 21 moving average, which convinced me that it's safe. As soon as we close above 21 moving average, it's another signal that we are in an uptrend. Okay, I hope everything it's loud and clear, so you can see everything there. So I did another entry right here. So let me show you. Why am I holding myself back? I left plus 607.9 profits on the table. Why didn't I enter on the right time? My area of interest is still marked blue, but I didn't enter. The same thing happened in gold. I marked my area of interest blue, but I didn't enter. Gold went up and hit TP 4 to 5%, was back the entire week. The setup was A+, but now Nasdaq came to my area of interest. I didn't enter. I'm just watching it fly without me. Why? Like, okay, I did another entry. So I mean, yeah, another journal. So I wanted to like talk to myself and say, man, the entry was not good. But even though it was so tough, bro, because I didn't enter the whole week, bro. Imagine not entering the whole week. You were watching the candlestick flying, telling a story, like it's a journey. You're traveling, right? So if I can check the weekly time frame, it's bullish, right? The previous week was bullish. The CPI week was bullish, and FOMC was so bad. You know, I didn't like what happened with FOMC. So like Nasdaq was choppy, and then it was buying, but yeah. So yeah, so like then the last entry I did was at 5:30. I was talking about the XNES account and all that. So I can't show you the XNES account because it's different from the prop firms. I wanted to focus on this prop firm, and I don't have the I don't have the login details yet. I have to connect to the internet, and if I can show you the XNES account. But like that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. And yeah, man, tell me what you think about the daybook. You can get it on Google Play Store if you want the daybook to journal your entries and stuff. I think it's fun, bro. I think it's fun. It's good. You'll be watching and observing and watching and observing. Then once the opportunity comes, you take it next time, and you'll be smart, you know. Each and every month, bro. Imagine I'm going to journal on March. The whole March I'll be journaling. I have how many weeks? One, starting on Sunday, 2 March is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, bro. 5 weeks. But it's 4 weeks because the last week is not like, it's only one day on Monday, which is 31st. So it's 4 weeks. So I hope I'll be catching these setups that I missed. I hope I'll be catching this bullish engulfing and the pin bars, you know, on gold, because we were in a strong uptrend this month, bro. But swing trading, bro, I'm telling you, bro, there must be something to it, bro. 4-hour time frame, bro. Yes, set and forget, and give yourself time, get active, and all that. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share. I'll see you on my next video next week. Let me check on the calendar. So yeah, we have the last week of the month, which is starting from 23 Sunday, but because we trading. We start from 24 Monday and to 28, which is Friday. So yeah, it is the last week of the month. I hope I won't skip any day. I'll be journaling, even though there's no setup. I'll be talking about, okay, if if we have a breakout of this level, then I'll buy after a pullback of that level. It's fun. It's fun because you start to understand the market more. You learn more from these candlesticks and the story they're trying to tell. So yeah, make sure you subscribe because the story is too long. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share. And see you on the next video. I'll see you on the next month. I got more videos that I'm gonna drop this month, bro. March 2025, bro. Yo. I have more videos on this channel. If you don't wanna, like, if you wanna miss out, then you won't subscribe. Then you will hear it from a friend telling you that, hey man, this channel is helping. It has helped me. I am now profitable because of this channel, YouTube channel, you know. So you make sure you follow the right people. Don't buy into the lifestyle. This is not. You can see these journals, bro. This, I'm not showing like Ferraris and stuff. I'm showing the day book because I know the journaling part is very crucial before you can start to think about the profits. Is that you have to know what is it that you're trying to do, and how can you be successful, bro. Because now the market closed. What you do on Saturday and Sunday is very important, and it will affect your whole trading journey. So you need to make sure you back test, check your entries, study the market, become better, be active, and yeah man, yeah, subscribe.